to count and race. We'll take on any problem. We've got counting on our side. There's always strength in numbers. Buckle up, enjoy the ride. 1, 2, 3. Start your engines now in place. 4, 5, 6. Faster, faster, keep that pace. 7, 8, 9. We'll make the finish line. 1, 2, 3. Race.
Hello, boys and girls, and welcome to the ring. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, go! And we're off. Out of the first turn, it's a rush to get in front. These three friends are all fighting for first place. And now they're heading for the jumping hills. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Woohoo! Carrie comes out of the jump in first. Now Push is passing Carrie. Oh no! Push hits the brakes. There are stalks of corn blocking the road. But that won't stop him. Wait! What's this? Elephants are blocking the road. We've got a problem. Carrie is flashing her lights. Well, that didn't work. Lift honks its horn. That didn't work either. What are they gonna do? They have an idea. But how can stalks of corn help get the elephants out of the way? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stalks of corn. It's working! They cleared the road! Elephants love to eat corn! Great idea! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stalks of corn for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 elephants! Problem solved! He's counting, everyone!
Counting gets the job done. Counting saves the day. Counting solves and fixes problems. Counting is the way. When we count together, there's nothing we can't do. So count on us, then count with us. We want to count with you.
Now, back to the race. Pulls ahead and takes the lead, but not for long. Here come Carrie and Push up the largest loop-de-loo you've ever seen. Lift is still in the lead, but here come two roads. Which one will Lift pick? Oh no! It's the slow one. Carrie and Push both want to be first. They just need to jump! And Carrie lands in the lead. They're flying towards the finish line. Push passes Carrie. The race is almost over. Lift is pulling up from behind. Passes Carrie. He's about to pass Push. Yes, it's Lift who climbs the finish line first. And today's winning racer is Lift. It was great counting up to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 with you. That's all for today, boys and girls. See you next time.